Class 5 Input and Output in C. Welcome to Class 5. So far we have written programs that run, but they don't talk to us. Today we fix that. You are going to learn how to make your C program communicate, how to take input from the user and show output on the screen. These two functions, Printf and Scanf, are small in size but giants in power. With them, your programs will no longer be silent. They will interact. Slide 2. Output using Printf. Let us start with output. The Printf function shows messages, numbers or results on the screen. Here is the format. Here is what is happening. %d is a format specifier. It says insert an integer here. /n, \n moves cursor to a new line. Age is the value being printed. Why is this so powerful? Because Printf helps you track your variables, display results, or guide the user. It is like your program finally got a voice. Slide 3. Input using Scanf. Now let us listen. The Scanf function lets your program accept input from the keyboard. Here is the format. Notice the ampersand symbol before the variable. That tells C, store the input at this memory location. Example, age, int age, scanf, within parenthesis, %d within double quotes, comma, ampersand age. This reads an integer from the user and store it in age. Important rule: the format specifier in Scanf must match the data type. %d for integer, %f float, %c for character, and so on. So now your program can ask questions and wait for answers. Slide 4. Format specifiers. Format specifiers tell C what kind of data you are working with. Here are the most common. Use this with both Printf and Scanf, but always carefully. If the format doesn't match the data, the program won't behave correctly. So this is where precision matters, like choosing the right words in a conversation. Slide 5. Practical and assignment. Let us try a full program. Write a program to take user input and display it using Printf. The code is given here. Go through this code and find out the ideas which you have just studied. Notice the flow. We prompt the user, then the user types something, then the program responds using the very data they entered. It is simple, it is beautiful, your program is now interacting. Next is your assignment. Ask the user to enter their height, as a float and their grade as a character. Use Scanf to receive the values. Use Printf to display them clearly. This is not just about syntax, it is about building a conversation with your program. And now summary. To sum up, Printf is for output. It shows messages and values. Scanf is for input. It receives data from the user. You have learned how to use format specifiers to connect variables with the screen. And you have seen how to create programs that talk and listen. Input and output are the most basic signs of life in a program. Now your code is no longer silent. It can speak and it can hear. That is the start of building real, interactive, user-friendly software. Thank you and keep experimenting.